Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up. There's something really exciting which is gonna happen today. So today I'm doing my Instagram followers control my day. Oh my god, I can't tell you how excited I am. Hey guys, this is exciting. Today you are going to control my day. So watch out for the polls and vote. I've seen other YouTubers do it and I really loved the idea. So I'm gonna post what I'm gonna do on my Instagram and give you options, and you guys are gonna select which one should I go for. And no matter how uncomfortable I find it, I will have to follow it. I'm eventually going to find out how we, like me and you guys, we're vibing as far as our tastes and preferences are concerned, and I just can't wait to find it out. And for those who are new to my channel, let me give you a quick introduction. Hi, my name is Sushmita and this is my channel Sushdazzles. If you aren't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe right now. I just posted a poll on my Instagram कि मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए between idli and smoothie. You guys selected idli, but secretly I was wishing कि smoothie हो because आज मुझे smoothie खाने का मन था. But anyways, I love idli too. So today is Saturday and there have been lots of things that I needed to do since a long time which are piling up. But today there's no excuse. I have to do those things. Since you guys selected idli, I'm gonna have idli right now, and I'm not going to stretch this introduction anymore. So now let's get started. So guys, my idli is here, and obviously I couldn't make it, so I ordered it through Swiggy. First of all, I quickly wanted to take a moment and talk to you guys about something. So for quite some time, I was experiencing a lot of stress and anxiety related to my work. Sometimes because of work pressure, sometimes because of deadline, long hours of work, etc. So much so that I was having difficulty doing day-to-day activities, like very simple activities, like I did not even want to get out of bed in the morning, and I used to open my laptop and stare at the laptop for maybe a few minutes. I was just blank and I was thinking how to finish this work and when to do this and when to do that, and all of that was going on in my head. I couldn't take it anymore and I sought help. And I'm telling you, taking help was the best decision ever. So I went to a therapist in my city and I just talked my heart out, and let me assure you one thing, that I felt so good. I never felt better. Most of the times we do underestimate the power of just talking, the power of just talking to a therapist. During hard times, it's very important to talk to somebody. If you don't talk to somebody, then you can easily feel lonely, you can feel isolated, and negative thoughts can come to your mind. If you think that you're depressed or anxious, or you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, which most of us we feel, we don't realize that we are depressed or we feel anxious. We just don't realize that. So if you have this feeling, then today's sponsor BetterHelp, which is Better HELP, is here to help you. BetterHelp is a customized online therapy that offers you video, phone, even live chat sessions with your therapist. So you don't have to see anyone on camera if you don't want to. You can talk to your therapist in private, online environment according to your convenience. There is a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapists network that gives you access to work that may not be available in your area. So you just fill out a questionnaire that helps assess your specific needs, and then you get matched with a therapist in as little as 48 hours. Then you can schedule a secure phone and video sessions. Plus you can exchange unlimited messages, and everything you share is absolutely confidential. Also here, you can request a new therapist in no additional charge at all, anytime. Many of us grew up with the impression that internal matters should not be discussed. This is perhaps the worst thing that you can do to yourself, like pushing down your emotions, pushing down your thoughts, and not working through your psychological issues. Especially serious pain or abuse in the past can lead to a lot of problems which we don't even realize. So if you're feeling depressed, anxious, overwhelmed, stressed, you do need to talk. I personally feel good after talking to a therapist, And most of my friends who have talked to therapists, who have had consultations, they say that they have only gained through the experience. I think what I gained through this is that I understand myself better now, and it creates self-awareness. So join the 3 million plus people who have taken charge of their mental health with an experienced BetterHelp therapist. Get 10% off on your first month at betterhelp.com/sushdazzles. I'll mention the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And now let's get on with the video. So I just got done with my makeup. Very simple, very easy look, everyday wear. So that's what I love doing when I go out. Now I'm just gonna go get dressed. I gave you an option between denim, one shoulder top, and a green cute dress. You guys selected denim and a one shoulder top, so that's what I'm gonna wear right now. और मैंने lipstick का भी option दिया है, nude or pink. You guys selected nude, so that's what I'm gonna apply on my lips. So this is what I'm wearing. This is what you guys voted for. This one is from Zara. This is also from Zara, and I'm carrying this bag which is from H&M. I just paired it with my Fossil watch and Daniel Wellington bracelet and very dainty earrings from Daniel Wellington. And I have my nude lipstick on like you guys voted, and now I'm ready to go. Thank you, Dada. Bhagwan hai, but it's still so scary. I swear I feel something like something strange. There it is. Hi. এখানে যোগাটা হবে আচ্ছা it's very nice actually. I came here to register myself for yoga because बहुत दिनों से discipline लाइफ में नहीं हो रहा है, सुबह नहीं उठा जा रहा है, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा काम की वजह से, काम के प्रेशर की वजह से मेंटल पीस थोड़ा कम है. आई थॉट कि योगा मेरे लिए अच्छा रहेगा, मेरे मेंटल पीस के लिए और कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाने के लिए, लाइफ को और डिसिप्लिन बनाने के लिए. कल फिट बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, दैट्स वाई आई वांटेड टू enroll myself for yoga. So सब कुछ पता किया कि इन लोगों का 12 months का कितना चार्जेस है, 7 months का कितना चार्जेस है, 3 months का कितना चार्जेस है. So I thought कि पहले 3 months का करवाऊँ, क्योंकि I don't know if I like it or not. So पहले मैं 3 months का करवाने वाली हूँ, उसके बाद I'll see if I like it, then maybe I'll extend. मैं अभी कुछ decide नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I'll take a couple of days to think over it because I always do this. I just can't take spot decisions, especially when a lot of money is involved. So now from here I have to go to Fab India and I'll see you there. देखो कितना अच्छा लग है मेरा. Till now it wasn't raining, and when I'm about to step out, it started raining. Oh God, I don't believe it. আমাকে vlog করতে হচ্ছে, সবাই আসছে. Check. পুরো রাস্তার মাঝখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আমাকে vlog করতে হচ্ছে. Okay guys, so my work in Cultfit is done now. I'm super hungry. I gave 2 options on Instagram for a cafe. Number 1 was Marbella's and the second one was Sienna Cafe. I'll just check for 10 more minutes to see which one you guys voted for. And I'm already standing at a spot where everybody is literally looking at me, and it's crowded. Like literally people are coming and going, and it's like I feel conscious, but I know you guys told me not to be conscious and to treat the camera like a friend, and that's what I'm doing. So for this effort of mine, please click on the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, 10 minutes is over and you guys voted for Marbella's, so we are going to Marbella's. Hey guys, so right now I'm in Marbella's. I gave you 2 options for food. One was avocado toast and the other one was scrambled eggs. I'm still waiting for the results. Also, what drink I should order, tea or coffee. My drink is here, just what you voted for, vanilla matcha tea. I'm so excited to try it out. I did not know about it. All the matcha powder was at the bottom of the cup, and I was just sipping it and I was saying that hey, it's like a normal green tea. It does not have any other flavor, like especially matcha flavor or anything. But when I started stirring it, सारा matcha flavor आने लगा, and I love it. I'm sorry, avocado was not available, so ये मुझे चेक कर लेना चाहिए था पोल डालने से पहले. और एक ऑप्शन था scrambled eggs का, so मैंने वही ऑर्डर किया. So Marbella's is done. I am so full. I need to walk till Fab India right now. So I got to buy some cutleries and I need your help even more. So now let's go to Fab India. Walking till Fab India right now. We just got done with Marbella's. Marbella's ka सर्विस मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा. It's just that restaurants वहाँ पे जो the people who are there, I think they should be more happy and they should be serving you with a smile. But मार्बलाज में ऐसा नहीं था. पहले था लेकिन अभी नहीं. आई थिंक फुटफॉल जब ज़्यादा होता है तो पीपल आर लाइक एनी वे वट एवर पीपल आर गोइंग टू विजिट द कैफ़े, राइट? सो ऐसा कुछ एटीट्यूड था. एंड द फूड वॉज ऑल्सो ओके. इट वॉज नॉट दैट ग्रेट, लाइक पहले जैसा और नहीं रहा. Yes, right now I'm in Fab India and I have to buy a few cutleries, like I have to buy bowls and plates and spoons. So I just came here and they have a beautiful collection. मैं जब भी Fab India आती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा खरीद के जाती हूँ. I gave you an option of 2 bowls. So let's see what the results are. There are so many quilts. I love comforters and quilts. And I love coming to Fab India for any house decor, either Fab India or West Side. They're the best. So I got these plates. They look so cute. And these small cute bowls. 2 of these. And then I was confused between the green and the pink. You guys chose the pink one, the dusty nude one. So I got these. Thank you. Guys, I feel like we're vibing, we're resonating so much through my vlogs. So right now I have to buy forks and spoons. So let's see, I just have to check where I need to go. Oh my god, guys, cookie jar. I love the pineapple slice from here. I could have done a pool, but aur jagah nahi hai sachi mein. Reached Acropolis Mall. I'll go inside and check out Shop and Stop. Spoons देखते देखते bathroom stuffs देख रही हूँ. So we've got these kind of spoons, but I don't like the texture on the spoon. And also I was looking for golden spoons, but yeah, no. Shop stop से निकल गए हैं. जो चाहिए था वो मिला नहीं. So right now I will do another poll. Like if you guys want me to go home or to Starbucks. मैं बार बार स्क्रीन की तरफ देखती हूँ, but मुझे कैमरा की तरफ देखना चाहिए. ये ठीक करना है. Oh, मुझे nails भी करवाना था, but it's like too late now. I can't actually. I am a little tired right now. I've been out since a long time. So I gave you 2 options, home or Starbucks. Thank you so much. You guys are so caring. You guys wanted me to go back home. So I'm going back home right now. Oh, my cab is here. Oh god guys, यहाँ का light खराब हो गया है. Just came back home, I got fresh and right now I am chilling on my editing chair. I just put up a poll on Instagram asking you to choose between skincare, movie or both. So अभी मैंने results देखा नहीं, 10 मिनट के बाद check करूँगी. The results are out. You guys selected both, which means I get to do my skincare and watch a movie or watch TV or whatever. You guys are so caring. We are truly vibing क्योंकि मुझे भी लगा था कि I want to do both, like थोड़ा सा skincare, relax and watch a movie, and that is exactly what I'm gonna do right now. God. Yeah, okay. I've got a small face and sheet masks come in really big sizes, so it's just too big for my face. Oh, I feel so good. Oh, I feel so good. You guys selected a thriller movie, so I am checking which one to watch. ये क्या है? The Game. Ooh, this is interesting. Departed, Red Sea, Fight Club, Shutter Island though I've watched. It's an amazing movie. If you guys haven't yet watched Shutter Island, go watch it. Nope, 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 nope. I think I am going to watch The Game. Michael Douglas hai and I love Michael Douglas. So yeah, I am going to watch this one. I'm gonna watch this movie right now. I'm so freaking tired that I think I'll pass out watching this movie. I had so much fun today, guys. Thank you so much for making it fun. Thank you for voting, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe right now. सिर्फ 1 second लगता है guys subscribe करने में, so hit on the subscribe button right now. Like this video and share it with your friends. Comment down below what other vlogs would you want me to do. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.